As you can see, my hair is not stopping wet. And as you can see, the curls do come true. So if you have a texture like this and you want to have your hair or you want to have curls, this is the technique for you. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a wash and go. So I washed and conditioned my hair, and this is what my hair looks like dry. But before I did that, I prepped my hair for what I'm about to show you. I know many of you have tried a wash and go. You've done it on sopping wet hair. You have a 4C hair like mine, and you can't bring out the curls. So I want to show you a technique that I stumbled upon to help you to bring those curls forward. I know many of you have watched girls like this and like this and have tried their technique and it's not been working out. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you, if you have 4C hair, what to do. And this technique is not a technique for girls who have thin hair. You must have thick hair like mine in order to do this technique. So I washed and deep conditioned my hair the day before, and I prepped my hair. You must prep your hair however you like, whatever works with your gel. So you moisturize and seal your hair with whatever you like. I do a different technique, but that's for another video. So make sure that your hair is already prepped and it looks like this. Make sure that you twist your hair up, then unravel your twist to style your hair. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a side part, and then I'm going to be showing you what my hair looks like with curls. I'm going to be using these two gels together, this and this, but you need this specifically to help with making your curls last for at least a week and a few days with these two combinations. You're gonna get a crunch. You want the crunch because the crunch is what's gonna help you to be able to sleep on it, and it does not disturb the formation of your curls. So we're gonna be working on this section, and I'm just gonna take a small section like so. So we're working on this section. So I'm gonna be taking the extreme gel, and just pay attention to what I'm doing. I'm not going to do anything special. I'm just pulling the gel through the hair, just like so. Just take your time, pull the gel, pull the gel, pull the gel. Okay? Now, I like using a brush like this, starting from the bottom, just to get the hair detangled. And then do this. Take a little more, about this much, and pull it through. Look what's happening by just pulling through the hair by itself. So the curl that you see here, that's the curl I have. I don't know what curl you have. So you have to try and see what curl produces from your own hair. Okay, so now I'm going to be using this much. That's all I need on this section. Now that I have the section, I just separate. That's all. And continue doing the rest of my hair. Hold the section, apply your gel from the roots to the ends. Before I add a little bit more, let's just detangle from the ends and go right up. And now I add a little bit more. And then I add my other gel on top. about this much. Pull that through. One of the things I want you to see is that I'm not doing this. When you do this, it gives me a different curl. So I just pull through, and wherever the hair is separating, I just let it go and I just pull it down. That's all I do. And that's all you have to do too. You don't have to do a whole bunch of crazy stuff. And it works perfect, this method, when you have a 4C hair. As you can see, my hair is not sopping wet. And as you can see, the curls do come through. So if you have a texture like this and you want to have your hair or you want to have curls, this is the technique for you. I'm going to show you what my hair looks like afterwards, and let me know in the comments what you think. Okay guys, so in order to give you an idea of what your hair can look like when you have texture that looks like this, look at the back. As you can see, the curls are coming in nicely. So far, this is what my hair is looking like. It's a bit wet, but one of the things I admire this way, this technique, is that it doesn't take long to dry. Okay, so in about an hour, my hair will be dry, and that's what I love about it. Although my hair has shrunken up a lot, it doesn't matter. I don't mind to see the shrinking. Let me tell you something. If this is something that you've learned, I want you to help me get this video out to a lot of girls. If you see that this technique is something that you can try and accomplish at home, please like this video and comment. It's all good. And let's see how much persons we can get to see this video. So I'm going to be working on this section, and I'm going to be doing a close-up so that you guys can see exactly how I do it. So this is what the curls are looking like. And I'm going to dry my hair by air drying it, and I'm going to come back and show you guys the final style. Okay, so if so far you're liking what you see, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is the finished look. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. This is what my hair looks like. I'm going to be using this. Boom. That's it. I think it's super, 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 super cute.